So today what we are going to do is, first of all, formal introductions. As I always say, Iyarkai Tunai, that means nature, with nature's blessings in Tamil. We are going to start off. So today in our team, we have with us myself, Desika Prabhakar, founder and director of the Purpose Foundation, where all your purpose is going to become true and we're going to help with whatever we can to make it happen. And we have Lakshmi, our COO, Chief Operating Officer, with us. So let's go on to the session of today. But there is a small twist that we have kept for today. That is, we are going to have attendance for you guys. I don't know. I thought it's very mandatory for us to go back to school vibes and sort of have an attendance thing, because we just want to know if everybody is here. So let's go into the session, and this attendance I will take maybe in another couple of minutes, or else I will just take it in between. Whenever, like a surprise thing, we will do it whenever we can. So I am going to first share my screen for today's agenda. So guys, today we are going to look into a brief introduction of all the sessions that has been planned for the month of August by the Purpose Foundation for the top 100 teams of Hack for Purpose first edition. So again, congratulations for all the awesomeness that you have brought to us and the ideas and the innovation that you are going to bring to life. We are absolutely proud of every single effort that you're taking every day, and we're going to try to put in even more efforts to actually make it come to the reality. So the introduction and agenda for today. So as always, let's do this. So today, as I told, first thing will be the attendance, and then we are going to look into the timeline and progress. Finally, we're going to show you what kind of sessions we have in store and what kind of requests and pending stuff is there that we have to sort out. So let's get together and try to make the best out of these things. Okay. So now we have shown you the timeline last time, right? The full plan for July to Feb, right? So from July, we have almost completed everything, and feedback is done. Onboarding is status for everybody is collected. Only the videos is pending. So if you guys are still pending in sending, wow, I am rhyming too much. So around 20 teams have not given it yet. Please do give it. And very, very big round of applause for all the teams who actually did the video very beautifully. Thank you so much for keeping up your end of the support and cooperation. Thank you so much for giving it on time. We have also shared videos, everything, photos, all done. So July is done. August, we are going to, as planned, do the technical sessions, the domain specific sessions. And after these sessions are over, you guys are going to come up with the ultimate action plan that you need to get your minimum viable product out there. And once that plan is ready, we're going to put it in the agreement, sign it, and start getting your support. Whatever you need for the entire month of September, October, and November, you are going to work completely on making your minimum viable product, your proof of concept, or your prototype, and all the support you need for this. We will connect you with the relevant interest. We will connect you with the relevant industries, relevant mentors, guide everyone who can support you through the entire journey. The support is only from this bandwidth, that is August to November, as we have mentioned, and December you will give us the final report where you will be graduating from the platform, and we will pick out top 10 teams who are going to get a chance to pitch in front of the investors. Okay, with that, we are coming to the main part of the session today. As you know, we told you that there are going to be four types of sessions. We told you there are going to be four sessions, but as I told you, we love you guys too much. So we have kind of split it into four different types of sessions. Because last time, some of them also requested that some personal development skills, right? For businesses and all, you need some personal, inspirational, motivational, life skill sort of sessions as well. So what we try to give you is one set of technical sessions and one set of realistic, practical sessions for helping you out throughout your whole entrepreneurship journey, or generally in life as such, right? Even if you get your product out there or not, I'm sure you're going to do it, but still you are going to learn a whole lot from these sessions, from this entire month. It's going to help you in your entire life for sure. I can really guarantee you on that, because all of these life skills, which are going to be shared by very, very experts, very, very renowned people who have had years of experience. So they're going to share all those hacks, all those life skills with you. So it's going to be super beneficial for you guys. So there are going to be 4 types of sessions: technical sessions, as we already planned, and they're going to be domain specific sessions, as we already mentioned to you guys. Then there's going to be life skill sessions, which is one of the sessions for tomorrow as well, and some of the psychology sessions. Why psychology sessions is because, as you know, 90% of our life is always about dealing with people. If we know how to deal with people, in that itself, like, we have kind of cracked the whole sort of cheat code of life. So dealing with people is what 90% of businesses is, what 90% of life is. Rest are just, I think, basically food and sleeping. So so that 90% is very, very important for you to analyze people, to read people, read their emotions, read their psychology, and to handle those people. So we will have these psychology sessions, which are going to be super beneficial for you, for your personal life, also to deal with all your personal stuff, boyfriends, girlfriends, whatever it is, and also your professional life, because we want you to be very happy and enjoy all parts of life, right? So with that, we are going to have all these 4 sessions, and the 4 technical sessions that we are going to have. So tomorrow will be the first technical session of the Purpose Foundation's Hack for Purpose first edition event. So idea validation, we have an amazing speaker who's going to be joining us tomorrow by 10. So agenda has been shared in the group as well. So tomorrow is our first technical session. Then next week will be the business model development. Also, we have another very young as well as very talented person who is going to address us for the business model development. Then the final week, we are going to have both the sessions together. That is the ultimate pitch deck preparation and financial. So both of that, we are planning to have it on August 25th. So this is the plan for the sessions. Then coming to an important question, right? The domain specific sessions. I hope you have seen the sheet. Let me share it to you. So we have split your teams into domain specific sessions. You can see this list over here. The teams are split here. So your MedTech has around 8 teams. AgriTech has around 8 teams in the batch. So all of these come under each specific batch called AgriTech, AI, web development, wastes, IoT, smart devices, all of this. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 batches that we have. Okay. I tried to put it into 7 major batches, which will be the domain specific sessions. So minimum, as you can see, there are going to be 7 sessions in the domain specific sessions. So these 7 sessions, we cannot, fit into this month. So we have to sort of keep it in the week days also. So guys, the final thing of the agenda for today, the big request for you, please ask questions to our speakers. This whole thing is done only for you guys. Pretty please, with all the sugar, all the things on top, please ask questions. Ask the stupidest of questions, doesn't matter. Nobody is going to think any less of you. Please ask questions. See, it's the smartest thing that you can do, because only asking questions have actually led to some of the most impactful answers, impactful technology that we have today. So please ask the most stupidest questions or whatever questions you have. I want you guys to come forward. Everyone are leaders. We just have to sort of bring out that leadership quality. We have to bring out that sleeping extrovert inside us. There is no extrovert, introvert. I believe that everyone actually has a voice. That's what matters. And you have to actually put that voice out there. You have to rise up and ask questions. Okay, this is the biggest request. And with that, so please a gentle reminder that you guys are working towards the top 10 teams, achieving the top 10, where all of your scores are going to be compiled, and by December you will have a chance to pitch live in front of the investors by December. So every single effort counts. Use the opportunity, right? Like you have all these opportunities out there, and definitely, with such an improvised idea, with all these trainings and all these sessions, I'm sure that you're going to get the investment that you need and take it to the next level, maybe even as a grant or even as an investment, whatever be it, you are going to make it there. So try to be as part of the top 10 teams and take it as a very healthy competition. So with that, you know where to reach us. Please call us anytime you need any support. The number for calls I'll be handling. Lakshmi will handle WhatsApp. There's email, and I'll also, no, that's all. That's just our website. Sorry. So you can also join our team anytime as interns, or if you want to represent your particular state, you want to be like, if you feel like you're a born leader and you are here for a purpose and you want to help us help others, so you can be awesome in that way and become an ambassador for us. We don't believe in celebrity ambassadors. We believe that the students are the true celebrities and influencers. So you guys can actually make such a big difference. You are the future of tomorrow. So please do join us if you are interested. Okay. And you will also get a lot of connects, important networks that you can build with United Nations, with our team, with all investors, mentors, everyone. So try to join us, or if you're not interested, at least pass it on to your friends. Some of them did that last time, so I'm thankful for that. And again, thank you so much for patiently listening to me, for being so epically epic, and yeah, epically epic for the people, for Planet, and for you.